up, everybody! It's time to dance with Qai Qai, Playtime edition. Do you like to play? Of course you do! My favorite place to play is the playground. Today, I'm going to teach you 3 Playtime dance moves. They're called the jump rope, the dodgeball, and the freeze tag. Remember to watch until the end for a dance party. Ready? First is the jump rope. You're going to move your legs like this and move your arms like this. Wow, great job! I'd love to see you try your best. Ready for the second move? Yeah? Let's do it. This one is called dodgeball. Move out of the way so the balls don't hit you. Let's try that again, but slower. Now let's go super, super fast. Dodge ball, dodge ball. Dodge the ball, dodge the ball. Dodge the ball, dodge the ball. Wow, you're doing amazing. Let's finish strong. The last move is freeze tag. Copy me. Awesome! That was so silly and so much fun! And guess what? We've learned all the dances. Do you know what that means? It means that it's time for a
dance party.
Hit it, Ruff Ruff! Jump! Do the jump rope. Dodgeball! Freeze tag! Freeze! Jump! Do the jump rope. Dodgeball! Freeze tag! Freeze! When I say freeze, don't move. Dance and freeze. Dance and freeze. Freestyle! Listen to your body and see how it wants to move. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. That was so much fun. This has been the best play date ever. Ruff Ruff, playtime is over. But don't worry, we'll see everyone next time. Thanks for dancing with Qai Qai, Playtime edition. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Get up, everybody. Time to dance with Qai Qai. Summer style. Do you like the beach? That's so cool! I love the beach! When I go, here are 3 summer-style dance moves that always come in handy. Brush off the sand, the high five, and the big wave! Remember to watch till the end for a dance party! Ready? First, let's brush off the sand. On a beach vacation, sand gets everywhere. Take your hand and brush your shoulder to get it off. Brush, brush, and brush. You got it! Brush, 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 and brush. Wow, great! Great job! Are you sure you aren't a professional dancer? Amazing! Ready for the second move? This one is called the high five. Let's do it! When you're on vacation, you're having fun with other people. Imagine high-fiving the person next to you. Your best friend, your dog, even your mom and dad. When I say hi, you're going to reach for the other person. When I say five, give me a big clap. Ready? Let's try it out. High five, high five, high five, high five. Wow, you got it. You're amazing. Don't worry about messing up. Just remember to have fun. Let's finish strong. The last move is the big wave. Copy me. Let's try that again, but slower. Pretend you're the ocean. You're going to use your shoulders to make a big wave. Big wave. Big wave. Now we're gonna pretend our fingers are jellyfish. Wiggle those fingers. Now, let's put it all together. Big wave, jellyfish. Big wave, jellyfish. Big wave, jellyfish. Big wave, jellyfish. Wow, you're so cool. We've learned all the dances. Do you know what that means? It's time for a...
Dance party.
Hit it, Ruff Ruff. Big wave. High five. Brush off the sand. Freestyle! Listen to your body and see how it wants to move. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. That was so much fun. You're a ray of summer sunshine. Thanks for dancing with Qai Qai. Summer style. See you again soon. Hey y'all, get up and dance with Qai Qai. Back to school style. Are you ready to go back to school? Me too. I love learning new things. Like the 3 back-to-school dance moves we're going to work on today. The dancers are called the Star Student, the Raise Your Hand, and Turn the Page. Remember to watch until the end for a dance party. Ready? First is the Star Student. As long as you pay attention and try your best, you can't go wrong. Let's try it out. Wow, great job! You really are a Star Student. Ready for the second move? Great! This one is called Raise Your Hand. Take your hand and move it like this. Then move your body like this. Amazing! Let's try it faster. A++. Whoa, time flies when you're having fun. Let's learn our last dance before the dance party. Our last dance move is Turn the Page. Copy me. Let's try that again. Move your body like this. Now let's go faster. Even faster. Turn the page. Turn the page. Turn the page. I love reading stories about dancers. Wow, you're great. Guess what? We've learned all the dances. Do you know what that means? It's time for a
Dance party.
Hit it, Ruff Ruff. Star student, raise your hand. Turn the page, turn the page. Star student, raise your hand. Turn the page, turn the page. Freestyle! Listen to your body and see how it wants to move. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. That was so much fun. You aced it. Ruff Ruff, the dance party is over. But you can get a gold star too. Thanks for dancing back into school with Qai Qai. See you again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey, it's Qai Qai. Stand up, it's time to dance. Wellness style. How do you take care of your body? I take care of myself by learning new things, like the 3 health and wellness dance styles we're going to do today. The dances are called the brain break, the deep breath, and the self-hug. Remember to watch until the end for a health and wellness style dance party. Ready? First is the brain break. Copy me. A brain break is a great way to rest and refocus. Wow, great job! If you didn't get it the first time, you can always rewind and try again. Let's do the second move. Great. This one is called the deep breath. Move your shoulders like this and take a deep breath in. Great job! One more time. Fantastic! Deep breaths are a great way to calm yourself down. Now, let's move on to our last dance move before the dance party. Finish strong. Today's last move is the self-hug. Sometimes things get to be too much, so shake off any negative feelings. Ready? Great. Watch me. Now you try. Amazing! Now that we've learned all of our health and wellness style dance moves, do you know what that means? It means it's time for a
Dance party.
Hit it, Ruff Ruff. Brain break. Deep breath. Deep breath. Give yourself a big hug. Brain break. Deep breath. Deep breath. Give yourself a big hug. Freestyle! Listen to your body and see how it wants to move. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. That was so much fun. You're so good at taking care of yourself. Ruff Ruff, remember, you have to drink water. Thanks for dancing with Qai Qai, wellness style. See you again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe.